Good day everyone. My name is Jonalyn Pimina from grade 10 Mahogany. Today, we continue with electromagnetism to get into electromagnetic waves. We will discuss about the electromagnetic waves. So, without a further ado, let's get started. Let's start out with what electromagnetic waves are. Electromagnetic waves or EM waves are the result of the vibrations between an electric field and a magnetic field. This means that they are composed by oscillating magnetic and electric fields. The magnetic field and electric field of course oscillate in phase. Such waves are formed when an electric field interacts with a magnetic field. The two fields, electric and magnetic, are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction that the EM wave propagates to. They cannot be deflected by an electric field or by an magnetic field. One of the waves that are propagated by simultaneous periodic variations of electric and magnetic field intensity and that include radio waves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. An electromagnetic wave is a traveling wave composed of oscillating electric and magnetic fields. They do this rather quickly. Light waves, and indeed all electromagnetic waves, travel in a vacuum at unsurprisingly the speed of light, about 3 times 108 miles per second, roughly 186,000 miles per second. Next, let's proceed to the examples of electromagnetic waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum. They range from the length of a football to larger than our planet. The radio receives these electromagnetic radio waves and converts them to mechanical vibrations in the speaker to create the sound waves you can hear. Microwave is a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter corresponding to frequencies between 300 MHz and 300 GHz respectively. The third example is the visible light. Light or visible light refers to the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum, that is range of wavelengths that trigger brightness and color perception in humans. It lies between UV and infrared radiation. And the last example is X-rays, an electromagnetic wave of high energy and very short wavelength which is able to pass through many materials opaque to light. About 150 years ago, James Clerk Maxwell, an English scientist, developed a scientific theory to explain electromagnetic waves. He noticed that electrical fields and magnetic fields can couple together to form electromagnetic wave. And the last one is the importance of electromagnetic wave. These are used to transmit long or short FM wavelength radio waves and TV or telephone or wireless or energies. They are also responsible for transmitting energy in the form of microwaves, infrared radiation or IR, visible light or VIS, ultraviolet light or UV, and X-rays and gamma rays. Morning. Thank you very much for listening and have a great and nice day ahead.